welcome to our ice maker. Let's explore its amazing features. First, check the outer packaging for any damage. Open the package and inspect the product. If there are any issues, don't panic or return it. Contact our customer service team first. They're ready to help. Inside, you'll find the instruction manual, quick guide, and accessories. If you find any missing accessories or need any parts later, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They're here to help and will respond promptly. Place your ice maker on a level surface and let it stand upright for 24 hours before diving in. This helps it perform at its best. Easy installation in just a few steps. Connect the water supply pipe to the water quick connector, then attach it to the faucet. Connect the other end of the supply pipe to the water inlet, pushing it in completely and securing it with the blue hose clamp. Connect the water drain pipe to the product's drain outlet, ensuring the other end leads to your home's drainage system. Keep that drain height lower than the machine's outlet for smooth sailing. Finally, install the door handle on the left side. Typically, the product arrives with the door opening from the left side by default. But if you find this setup a bit awkward, no worries, you can easily switch it. First, take a look at the two round plastic covers on top of the trim panel. These need to be removed as the screws are hiding underneath. Start by unscrewing them to gently detach the door. Next, carefully remove and save the black fixing piece and hinge located at the bottom right. Now, it's time to grab the black fixing piece and hinge for the opposite direction from the accessory pack and attach them to the bottom left. Align the holes at the bottom of the door with the hinge and secure everything with screws. Finally, don't forget to reattach the screws at the top to reinstall the decorative panel. And there you have it, a door that opens just the way you like it. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit EUHOMY.com and connect with us anytime.